How much does food insurance cost? Great question. We're going to answer it today. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of 𝗧𝗵𝗲 𝗥𝗶𝘀𝗪, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, if you're a food truck operator, probably run on relatively thin margins. That's a fairly ubiquitous thing that happens in the food services industry in general, restaurants, bars, etc. But with the kind of mobile nature of food trucks, the limited availability to stock products, margins, kind of run thin, and that's just the nature of the business. A big part of that is keeping fixed costs down. Insurance is a fixed cost, so I understand why you are watching this video to begin with and trying to get a feel for the cost. That all being said, how are costs calculated? So one, it's going to depend on the types of policies you have. It's also going to depend on the type of services that you're delivering. Like a mobile barbecue that's a trailer that sets up tables and stuff. That's going to be different from a standard kind of box truck style food truck. Also, the type of food that you're delivering. If you offer alcoholic beverages, if your state allows you to offer alcoholic beverages as a food truck, those are going to depend on cost. The size of your food truck empire, 1 truck versus 3 trucks versus 10 trucks, are going to be completely different as well. If you have a restaurant concept attached to your food truck, so if your food truck is basically a mobile version of a larger restaurant, that's going to impact costs. So things to think about are, what are the actual services that you're delivering? What type of food? What comes with your mobile food services product? Alcohol, yes or no? Are you providing seating outside the truck? What is your total revenue? Revenue is going to be a big driver of premium. That's going to be audited every year. So if you're doing, $50,000 in sales, you're going to pay less than someone who's doing $250,000 in sales, all things being equal. So that's another driver of cost. And then ultimately the carrier and program that you're with. There are many carriers that will write mobile food services companies, specifically food trucks and food trailers, but it doesn't mean all of them are priced the same. So understanding the market, getting into a program that's going to have good, consistent pricing over the long term is a key, and working with an agency such as 𝗧𝗵𝗲 𝗥𝗶𝘀𝗪, our agency that understands the food truck industry and the food truck market, can greatly increase your chances of keeping your premiums down as much as possible. That's really our job, is to understand the market, present you with the appropriate coverages, and then find you the best rate possible for the coverages that suit your food truck business. If this is the kind of relationship that you're looking for out of your insurance professional, then we would love to work with you. We're in all 50 states, so wherever we are, we can make sure that we have coverage for you. And best way to get a hold of us is probably by phone, 518-960-6600. You can also email us at gorogue@𝗧𝗵𝗲. You can visit us online at 𝗧𝗵𝗲.com, or I'm sure there's a link or a button somewhere around this video that will let you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.